Hello everyone, welcome to Algebra 51, Solving Algebra's Mysteries. And here we're going to talk about, and here on chapter 1.4, we're going to talk about rewriting equations and formulas. And before me you see a solve, we're going to solve for y, which means everything that's not related to y will be, everything that's not part of y will be over to the right, and it'll be something like y equals, something x plus b, something to that effect. That's the way it would be written. Y equals something. We're going to solve for y is what we're going to do. Okay? All right, so let's get rid of all that. So let's go ahead and look at, let's start with a nice color here. First thing we would need to do is we know that we have 9y plus 4x equals 7. So we're going to move everything that's not connected to this y here. We're going to move it all the way over to the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to say minus 4x, and then we're going to do the same thing over here, minus 4x, and we're going to take that number and we're going to say, okay, well, this right here goes to 0, so it becomes 9y equals 7 minus 4x. Now, these terms we tend to flip them around. And the reason why we do that is because we like to have it in the terms in this descending order. So we're going to say 9y equals negative 4x plus 7. That's the way I would write it. You don't necessarily have to do it, but it's a nice... People who know what they're doing always put this back in order. So now we're here to our next step. We need to divide the whole thing, this side and this side. We need to divide by 9. Okay? Now, this right here becomes y. This is a very fast problem. Then this becomes negative 4 over 9 times x plus 7 over 9. And that's the answer. That's the answer. You could, if you said 7 minus 4 over 9 minus x, 7 ninths minus 4 ninths over times x, you'd still be correct. So this is right. And this was, if you didn't flip it around the way I did and you went 7 over 9 minus 4 over 9 times x, both of these are correct. Both of them are correct. It's a very easy problem. Very easy problem. Very easy. Now, let's see if we can get us another one in here. Another example, number 2. And we're going to talk about this one here. This will be x times y plus 3x equals 2. It's a whole nother ballgame. I'm going to put a double line so we know that that's something else there. All right, this is a whole new area here. Now, what do we do with this? We got an x multiplied by this. It's awful. So what do? Just do what we did before. We're going to subtract the 3x on both sides. And this will become, let's see what color this looks like. Yeah, it looks like pretty readable. All right, now this right here will become xy. This is gone because they cancel each other out. Equals 2 minus 3x. And all you got to do now is just divide both sides by x. And then this becomes Move it up here. This becomes y equals. Now there's a distributive method right here. I don't know if you see it. Now this actually is correct at the way it is right now. Some people will put it like that. I prefer to spread it out and use the distributive method. So this applies to this and this applies to that. So this will be 2 over x minus 3x over x. And then that becomes 2 over x minus 3. That's simplified.